Here I go again. It's either me and the snow or me and the iguanas and the crocodiles and the snakes in Florida. Which one should I choose? I think I will choose. Help me out. Which one should I choose? Snow? Well, it's not too bad today. So I think I'll choose the snow this time around. Hello.
Hello.
Careful out here. Got some checking these ones?
I hope so.
Thank you.
Have a good weekend.
You too. Well, the mailman never takes a day off. All right, so let's see. It's either I cut my grass or I shovel snow. I never got the memo this time, so I never covered the car. So it's wifey's fault for not telling me to cover the car. But it's only gonna be a minute this time. 2 more months, yeah? 2 more months. 2 more months. If it snows again, I'm gonna choose the crocodiles and the alligators and the iguanas and the snake and some sunshine. Help!